Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back in the session of sounds of consonants and vowels in English alphabet. In this video, we will learn the sound of letter R. Dear students, in English alphabet, the letter this we called R. This is the capital R. And this is the small r. Okay, but the sound of this letter is R. So repeat after me. R, R, and sound is R, R. Okay, so do practice. So dear students, let's start the practice with some words of letter R. So repeat after me. Rat, rack, race, rain, rabbit, regain, red, real, reply, rent, right, rip, rich, right, rice, rose, rock, room, rod, rope, run, rusk, rule, rural, rust. So dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Do practice with this video if you want to get perfection on the sound of letter R. We will meet again soon with the sound of next letter. Till then, take care, bye bye, and do practice with me.